Hello there, this is Brittany Chavers, and I am back today to do a tutorial using some really cute dress it up buttons featuring the Disney movie Frozen. For Anna, I'm going to take the large snowflake from the kit and press that onto the back of her head, just like that, and use our tweezers or toothpick or your fingers to make sure that that gets a good little squeeze on there to get some of the glue onto the back. Now we're going to go around the front and see how it's kind of tilted a little bit. I'm just going to finagle that until it's in the right place. Here we go. And you might need to hold it for a minute or two. You want to have these dry for at least an hour before you start working with them. And then you really want to, before you wear your piece, wait overnight. Okay, so here's our little Anna who's dry now. I grabbed a purple Shambhala bead out of our kit so that these earrings will match with the necklace if you want to pair them. I also grabbed an ear wire. And then we're going to use a couple bead cap and one of these daisy spacers. So we have a daisy spacer and a little flower petal bead cap like we used on the pendant. These are going to be very reminiscent of the pendant. And then we're also going to cut a few inches off of our 20 gauge wire, and we're going to wire wrap. So first I am going to create a wire wrapped loop. But before I close the loop with the wire wrap, I am going to open it up a little bit and slip it on to our pendant, our charm. Just like that. And then we'll close it up a little bit. And then I am just going to do a couple loops right around the top of our wire. Just like that. And we'll snip off in the back. Now, if that's a little too difficult or you're still working on your wire wrap loops, no worries. You can just do a simple loop and then use a jump ring, or just use a simple loop and connect right onto your charm. So I'm just going to snip that off, and we're going to tuck that in a little bit. It's a little out there. There we go. I'm just going to slip on my Shambhala bead, my bead cap, and my spacer. Now I want to pay attention to where or which direction I am wire wrapping my loop at the top. Normally we would just bend back and then bend forward, but we're going to go sideways because I want to put this on an ear wire. So by sideways, I mean we're going to just turn it to the side, and then I'm going to wire wrap that way instead of front to back. You'll see when I've finished with it. So we'll go to the side, reposition our pliers, come back around, reposition our pliers, let our beads fall back down, and come back around. And then we'll just start wire wrapping. That's a very big loop, but if you wanted a smaller loop, you could absolutely do that. And then I'm just going to come around a few times so we can get our beads to stay in place. Get a good wrap around the top. Okay, just like that. Here's our loop. Isn't that cute? And then I'm just going to snip in the back. Bring this back around just a little bit. And that's what I meant by doing it sideways. So the loop is facing that way. Isn't she adorable and sassy, just like her sister? I'm going to put that on the loop of my earring, close that up, and we have ourselves a pair of Anna earrings that are super adorable.